Caleb,
What?
get out here!
I'm taking a dookie, my bad.
Yo, I bought us some trucks.
Ooh.
Yeah,
Which one
my
are we picking up
what?
first? Which
Uh,
one are we picking up first?
mine.
Alright. Oh, you
Just
got me my own?
yeah.
Okay. Let me
Uh,
grab some tools real quick.
yeah. Just take this location. Yeah.
Alright, thanks.
What did I tell you about parking your fat ass truck in the road?
Uh, I don't know.
Okay, come on.
Okay, I'm getting my blue truck.
God, the echo.
Wait, bro, you forgot to whitelist me.
Achoo. Uh, okay. Y'all didn't see that.
My brakes gave out. Yo, will my trailer hook?
I think it's too high.
Guys, just don't mind it. I gotta squat for a second.
I'm just. You got that new hydraulic suspension, remember?
Yep.
I think it's called Any Level or something.
Yeah.
All right.
I could live stream on TikTok if I wanted.
Nah, it's good. All right, let's go. Actually, let's just go get our trucks.
Okay,
Are you dead ass with me right now?
hold up.
Guys, don't mind this. I gotta tell someone to get out.
I reset my whole truck on accident. Guys, give me a second.
Uh, Caleb crashed a little bit. He's gotta fix it. All right. Uh, Caleb, you got a copy on me?
Yep.
All right. I'm gonna go pick up my truck now.
Alright, I'll head over there and grab mine in a minute.
Yeah.
Kinda messed up my truck.
Uh, just dang it, it's really muddy, Caleb. Be careful. I slipped. I about slipped.
Okay.
All right. It'll be about a couple minutes. Yeah, Caleb. Just tell me when you're on your way.
Yep.
Dang, why is it such a long drive? I hope it's not too damaged. I never got to saw any images of it.
I mean, scene?
Shut up. shut. Yeah, I never got to see. I never seen any images of it. It's like right. Are you dead ass with me? This is it. This rusted Ford F-350 with no bed. That's it. My truck is actively sliding down the mountain.
Wait a minute.
Let's hope it even runs. Can this dovetail lower any slower? It doesn't even
Yes.
go down all the way.
Oh my, it took me long enough to get this all fixed up.
Yeah. My truck's being a stubborn
Any,
bit right now.
can anything load slower? There we go. Alright, I'm off.
Well, the guy told me it runs somewhat and somewhat drives. Come on. Dang it. Alright, it's running.
Well, you might have to put some carb spray into it.
I did.
Some brake, or some brake clean.
It's running a little
Yeah.
bit. Fucking God.
Yep, I'm on my way to pick up my F-150.
Yeah.
They
Come
told me
on.
it was a gasser. I messaged the person, they said it was a gasser.
I gotta move to a better spot real quick.
Alright, if you want, you can meet me over here. I gotta figure out how I'm supposed to get it out of this spot right now.
Where's it at?
It's in the barn at this house, and it's like facing toward the wall. It's like not manageable to get with a winch.
Just winch it onto the back.
I don't want to scratch the truck because of the way it is.
Shit.
I'm gonna see if I can get it started real quick. Okay,
Alright, first, I got it
load.
loaded on the truck first try, totally. Y'all saw
It
nothing.
died.
Y'all saw nothing with me trying to load it then unload it 15 times.
Alright, spray it again.
Don't use too
Full,
much.
full rev limb. Get it out of here. Oh, it died again.
Alright, where you at?
I'm at this like farm down this gravel road.
Um,
It has like a It has like a super big barn in the middle.
oh, I know where you at.
Yeah. I gotta spray it again so you can get on the trailer. Alright, I got it mostly there. It died again. Let me spray it again.
Alright, I'm here.
Alright, I'm down at the bottom with the cows and everything.
Oh, you're down there.
Yeah.
Yeah, you wanna come see the hunk of junk truck I purchased?
Yeah, just give me a second. Let me.
Holy! Man, this side steps must be new. Like brand new.
No, I wouldn't touch them. They're little,
I'm gonna touch your bull bar. It
they're
just.
infected.
With what?
I don't know, but whatever it is, don't touch it. It's a little blue, and I don't really want to.
Why are they blue?
I don't know, and I don't really feel like trying to figure that out.
Your exhaust is hanging on by nothing.
I know.
I paid $20 for this truck, by the way.
Makes sense.
The owner said it wasn't
Can you steer
infected.
it?
What?
Can you steer it? Can you get in there and steer it?
Um, sure.
There's no power steering.
Ah!
It'll work for a split good second, and then. Alright, it should be good right
The
there.
truck wouldn't even turn on. Oh god, my foot touched the boot. Oh, yeah, my truck runs and drives. Ish.
Yeah, I put my fucking brake on.
Alright, let's head home, I guess.
Yeah, I guess we'll try to get home.
How am I gonna do the recording montage?
They said I could turn around on their farm.
How am I gonna do the repairing? Just like cut and load and send it all into CapCut?
No, just do it by yours. Just like cut it and then like act like you kind of work on it a little bit and then cut it again.
That's a treat. That's a mystery.
You're not recording anymore, are you?
I am.
Oh.
Alright, I'm gonna cut it. Guys, we made it back to the house after about 15 minutes. Rush dismissed! Oh, what the hell was
God
that?
dang it, you bent my bed.
My bad. What bed?
You bent my trailer.
And guess what? I've made sure to buy the one that runs and drives somewhat.
Run.
I don't think I need to lower the dovetail. Ow, ow, ow. There goes my spine.
Come on, get up.
I'm gonna name it Junkyard Dog because it's kind of junky and I found it in a yard. What is this truck sitting in here?
Just give me a second. Let me move it.
I'll just move my truck in there anyways.
I traded it for a skid steer.
You mean the only skid steer we had?
Yes. It was a good trade. I'm gonna change the wheels on it later.
That skid steer was my great-grandfather's.
It was a good trade. It smokes a little bit, but it runs and drives, and it has no brakes. But that's the point.
Oh, dang! Caleb! She's doing a burnout! Boom! Hey,
What
Caleb,
happened?
how much money do we have?
Like 10 grand? 20 grand? Something like that?
I'm gonna need a new engine.
You fucking hold on, let me go order one.
Make sure to get the best engine you can physically get.
As he didn't know, I'm actually ordering one from eBay.
I don't want one from eBay! I heard you say that!
I ordered one from actualengine.com place for 5 grand.
Hey Caleb, why does it say you just purchased a V10 from Wish.com?
I didn't.
What'd you purchase it from?
From engine.com. It died again. Yeah, bro,
It'll.
can you come spray it?
Yeah, I'll just spray like. God dang, it's pouring white smoke. Put the transfer case on.
Spray her again. She died. Alright, let me try to crank it over. Give me a second. She's alive.
Go, 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 just drive, 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 drive.
Oh, it died.
I'm done.
It died.
You know what? 2 cans.
Oh, it died again.
8 cans all at once. I'm gonna keep spraying.
Oh, made it.
Alright. Your truck seems a little puny.
Yeah, it'll get fixed. Just trust me.
Alright. Let's. I don't know. Just.
Wake up for the night.
Okay.
Hold up. Before we do, let me unhook this. And...
Level saved. Just park it, gang. You don't. It doesn't even matter. We don't have that. Why do you have a bass boat and a camper?
Because
When did you buy this?
I thought we were going boating tomorrow.
No! You know what? I'm opening the tailgate.
It's only halfway down, dude.
What is?
My tailgate only went half down. It doesn't open all the way.
Oh, my bad.
I don't want to hook it up.
Just park it.
I'm
Oh, I
trying.
left my truck running by accident.
Yeah, I'm gonna tomorrow. I'm gonna go buy new wheels for this, and then I'll start working on my truck.
Alright. Alright, let's go to bed. You get the couch tonight, since I got it last night.
Okay.
Alright. Oh, Caleb, come in here. They changed the sleeping position.
Oh, sweet.
Alright. Get the fuck out of my bed! Y'all just sleep on the couch. Alright, good night, dumbass. Caleb, shut up! Alright, let's go work on these fat ass trucks.
All right, let me. I'm gonna go here. You wanna come with me and come pick up these new wheels for my truck? I'm gonna drive
Sure.
this there.
Let me just. Caleb, the door handle's stuck.
This door works fine. All the doors work fine.
Where's
Just
my
has a little bit of issues. It's a bench seat.
My seatbelt broken.
Seatbelts work fine on it. I know what you're talking about. Oh god, it has a little bit of torque.
It's what happened to the brakes? Did you get the brakes fixed?
So about that.
Slow down. Slow down.
Stop. Stop.
Alright, where's the wheels at? This is the guy. Alright, just hurry up, because I don't want this video to be too long.
Alright. I got the wheels and everything.
Air conditioning doesn't work.
Oh, roll down the windows. That's what a real man does.
Ow! My arm! Ow! Ugh.
Need a car wash.
just drive.
Alright.
Like, god dang. Alright, we'll work on your truck, like, later.
Yeah, I'll go park it. I'll just move my black truck and I'll park it into there and I'll put the wheels on.
Yeah. Should take 5 seconds.
Well, I gotta go. I have to put them on the tire machine and put the tires on it and everything.
So about that, we ran out of food and I got hungry.
Tire machine, buddy. Not the food machine.
I ate the tire machine.
Alright, bro, lock in.
What do you mean lock in?
Did you stop the video?
Oh. Alright.
Yeah, and then my black truck
I'm gonna go
and...
start working on my truck.
Okay, I'll start working on my truck in a minute.
Alright. There's old junky yard. Alright, let me just like start by like cleaning it. Alright, pressure washer. Ding 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 ding. Oh, there's so much damn dirt on this fucking thing. Caleb, hurry! Run faster, fatty.
I got a sand mine. You better close the doors for this.
No, we want it to be ventilated, gang. Alright, and...
Yeah.
Caleb. Man, my truck's almost done. I'm just waiting on an engine for it.
And a bed.
And a bed. And cab lights. I noticed there's missing those.
Yeah, I figured out.
God,
I already got my and everything.
where'd your spacers go?
I gotta put new axles under it, and I gotta put a new bull bar and stuff and paint it.
You're also missing, rips off a chunkier fender because it was rusty. Also missing a chunkier fender.
Oh, I already ordered new ones. They're coming tomorrow. I also ordered new rockers for it.
Oh no, my truck. It's rolling away. Just gotta push it back. Alright. I'm gonna go beat it in this corner.
Oh.
You know what? You gonna put some different rims on it? These rims, look retarded.
They're just spare rims right now. I gotta figure out what rims I want to put on it when I do my stuff.
Ow. Yeah, when's that engine coming?
I don't know. It said it should be here by at least next week.
Next! Caleb, there's a tornado. Oh,
Is there actually?
yeah!
Oh God.
No! It's coming this way. Oh God, it's coming this way! Oh God! No! Please! Oh, Caleb! My recording setup!
Logan.
No, please! Hold up, I can type. Fuck.
Logan.
Shit!
That big straight.
What did I clear? What did I type in wrong? Close the door. Fuck. I typed clear wrong.
No, you can't do that, bro. That's cheating.
I have to. You know what?
Oh, it's going away. It's going away.
All right. Oh, my engine and bed arrived.
Bro, what?
Help me get them inside. Come on. Well, Oh, this engine's kind of light. It's made of plastic. I'm kidding. All right, shut the doors. Shut. I'm just gonna look out the window. I'm gonna open this one up.
Alright, bro. I'm gonna work on my truck more.
Yeah, same.
Mine runs and drives, so I'm gonna take it for a test drive.
Caleb, why'd you have to sell that other truck again?
It would not go forward, and I didn't want to buy a new transmission.
All right, I think my truck's almost done. All right, let's try to start it. Oh god, it's alive. All right, you want to take it for a test drive with me?
I'm gonna see if I can get mine running real quick. They said it runs and drives fine. Alright, let me see. Just give me a second. I just gotta look at everything in the truck real quick before I do.
I'm gonna shut mine off because I don't want to waste gas.
Yeah. Alright. I'm trying to start mine real quick. Get just a little bit more spray. I put fresh fuel and all kinds of fresh oil and everything into it. It runs!
Alright, hop in real quick. I want to drive mine.
I'm gonna see if mine will drive it. The rockers are kind of broke on it, but it's fine.
You know what? I'm going to put the hammer down.
You were.
God damn! God damn! I didn't see nothing. I'm just gonna look away. Just hurry up. Caleb, turn the auto flip on.
Turn it on. Why? It is on.
Just respawn it. They won't notice. Alright, I'm gonna do a quick burnout real quick, just to see if it burns.
Oh, there we go.
Dang, she's doing a good smoky burnout, Caleb.
It needs rockers badly. See if my 4-wheel drive works. Oh, it works.
I'm just gonna go into my tuning menu to make sure it'll smoke.
Yeah, I'm
Alright, I've tuned it.
turning around. Whatever they did, they put. Let me check what's under the hood. I actually never noticed. I just like sprayed it real quick.
Dodge Rams have feet.
I'm gonna close it. I'm gonna close that.
What'd you see?
There's a Viper engine under here.
A Viper V10?
Mhm.
Sounds right. For the truck.
With one turbo and 2 superchargers.
Do you mean 2 turbos, 1 supercharged, you tard?
Yeah.
I've just got one turbo. Alright. Now I'm gonna sell this truck. Nah, I'm gonna keep this truck. Alright. I'm gonna go take a nap. Make sure you get that truck done.
Yeah, I'm gonna try.
I hope this goes well in CapCut.
Do that. That.
Man, this truck's nice. Those rims look retarded, but they're fine. I'm gonna do a burnout in Caleb's little truck. I wanna see.
Oh, she can do a burnout every now and then.
Come on. truck can't do a burnout.
I said every now and then, not always.
Oh, it's daytime and it's still raining. Man, this is a nice truck. So Caleb, how's it coming?
So far, so good.
Okay. Bro, I'm gonna go get some food real quick. You want anything?
I don't know yet.
Just, you want the pickle pounder, rotten meal, or regular?
I want a regular.
Alright. I'm gonna get him the McPickle pounder.
What?
He doesn't know that.
Nah. Ah, my truck's finished now. You're a dead man.
Guys, he hates pickles. I'm gonna get him the pickle burger.
I'm gonna go check what my friend's getting.
Make him way downtown, walking past, pace is fast, I'm homebound.
I'm gonna take a long way so he doesn't notice.
But I'm taking the long way. You know what? He doesn't deserve. He deserves a rotten meal.
Actually, I'm gonna call my friend up. Ding 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 ding.
What?
Ding 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 ding. I'm on my way with my new truck. I need to test drive it anyway since I just got it finished.
Oh, okay.
And I'm just gonna order my own food.
Okay. Damn.
Hey, I'm gonna park in the back so they don't see the truck yet. They don't need to.
Alright, I got my food. I'm just sit in my truck and eat.
Alright.
Cheeseburgers. 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 Cheeseburgers.
Man, this burger's
cheeseburger.
delicious. It's got pickles and everything. Caleb, every burger has pickles.
I'm just gonna.
You should have gotten the McPickle pounder, bro. It's the best burger. Oh, so, how's your day been, sir?
Good. I just finished my truck.
I'm gonna go see it.
Alright, hold up. No, you can't yet.
Yeah, I'm gonna go see it.
No, not yet.
Yeah, I'm gonna go.
No, stop.
What?
I want them to see it yet.
I saw a little bit. What the fuck? Oh, heck no!
At least this one drives.
What's wrong with old Betsy here?
Also, I'm gonna go get some gas. I don't like the gas prices here.
What's wrong with a lot? How fast you going there, Caleb?
112.
Dang.
Parking brake.
Ow! Oh, I
I'm
just
sure he's fine.
destroyed his bed.
Ah, my tailgate's a little smashed. My bumper. That's fine.
No! Your whole corner is cooked.
Nah, it's fine.
Alright, I gotta get diesel.
I got a spare bed at the house anyways.
I got hungry and ate it.
It's $2.94 here. I think I prefer it here.
Alright. Should I cut it?
More.
Alright, let's cut it when we're driving back to the house. Alright, Caleb, let's head back. This
Took the
way,
wrong way.
tard.
Shut up.
And that's gonna wrap it up for today's video. Bye, fuckers.
Get your ass over here.
Oh no!
Yep, our trucks are cooked. Alright, bye-bye.